We are here and we got started. We got our mud seal, our rat seal down. Some people call it mud seal, some people call it rat seal. Back in the old days, we called it rat seal. And Paco's starting on the girder. We're using 3, yeah, it's Artisan project, it's overkill. 3 11 7/8 LVLs for our girder. We're lapping the beam. Got one that will stop right there at that girder. Then you take another one and lap over it so the joints are lapped so they don't line up, which is bad beam building if you line your joints up. Paco has our layout going, getting it started. Look at that girder. You ain't gonna find a girder like that on your house. 3 11 7/8 LVLs. We're gonna have a nice big crawl space. 6 foot on this end and about 2.5 feet on the other end. So we had some extra concrete, and so the owner had him pour it out right here as you come in the door, so he'll have a little pad. The most beautiful thing, there's a little stream. I don't know if you can hear it. Right over there. Really nice. For my notes, this door is 40 1/4 by 6 feet. 40 1/4 by 72. I'm gonna order a real door. Sometimes, if we have crawl space doors that are real small, we'll make them. But this one's gonna have basically be a real door. So I have to put a plug in for VanQuest. I've had this thing, it's like a messenger bag for about 10 years at least. I'll have to go back and look at my videos. I think it's 10 years old, and we even shot it. We shot it with a 22. Really good stuff. I missed the first piece of subfloor going down. I was talking. Noah's spreading glue. It's a bit cold this morning. It's coming out slow, isn't it, Noah? So we don't use this crappy metal bridging. We use solid bridging, and there is a big difference in the soundness of the floor. It works a lot better, and you can zigzag them so you can face nail both sides. Paco, you're not mad because I used wood bridging, are you?
Oh, no, man.
So I designed this floor system to where 14 foot 2 by 10, well, they're 16 footers, but they have a 14 foot span. That is between the inside part of this seal, that 2 by 6 seal, to the beam right there. So if you're wondering what the optimal width on a house using 2x10s at 16-inch centers is 29 feet 4 inches. Okay. You gain some from the band. Your band is 1.5 inches, so you gain 3 inches there, and then I'll have to look at the span tables, but I think it's 14'2" or something. So anyway, 29 feet 4 somehow. Forgot exactly how I did it, and what you do is you take a 16-foot 2x10 and you cut off that 14.5 block, so you get a joist and bridging for one with that one 16-foot 2x10. And that is the optimal floor system. Now, if you go any wider, you know, I was looking at using a wood eye joist, you know, that kind of thing, but they're more expensive. This is the absolute cheapest way, especially in today's climate, of how to do a floor system. As far as the length or the width versus, you know, the span of the joist. It's value engineering, basically, is what it amounts to. And this solid bridging will make your floor a lot more rigid. We got our walls laid out. We're getting ready to start framing the front wall. It's 14 feet tall. You gotta put it back down and raise it again, because I missed it, dang it. I just raised this part of a 14-foot.